Hello everybody.
Hello.
Okay, it's me again and it's Fred. Well, we're here to do some phonics.
Look, I see a new phony.
Do you, Fred? Have you noticed? Well, we have, but we'll come to that in a minute. But thank you for noticing, Fred. We're going to warm our brains up. In my box,
Yeah.
I have some letters.
Oh, yeah.
Right, I'm going to sit you there, Fred. And I'm going to show everybody a letter. And I want you at home to tell me the phone name. 1, 2, 3, you tell me. What is it, Fred?
Ah.
Well done. But I'm going to flip it, look. Can you see on the other side? That's the capital letter. And we need those for the names of things and the start of sentences. Ah, it looks very different, doesn't it?
It does.
Right, let's try and write it. And perhaps you at home, if you want to pause, press pause, make sure you got your pencils and your paper. I want you to have a go at writing these letters. Pause. Okay, are you ready to have a go at writing them with us? Okay, so first of all, I'll do the lowercase. So that's curly K, up to the top, down and flick. Okay, but the capital letter, remember, is right to the top of the line, comes down, take your pen off, go back to the top, come down and put a line across. Okay, ah. Let's choose another one, Fred. You don't have to shake. Okay, let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, you tell me. What is it, Fred?
D.
Okay, let's show them the capital. Again, looks very different, doesn't it? Let's have a go at writing it. So, when you write that letter D, that's the name of the letter, you go curly K, up to the top, back down and flick. Very similar to the A. But the capital, you start at the top, you come down, travel back up, and then, oops, got to cross my boards, and go around. D. Right, let's choose another one. Oh, found another one, Fred.
Oh.
All right then. 1, 2, 3, you tell me. What is it, Fred?
Ooh.
That's right. Ooh. Oh, but look at the capital.
It looks the same.
It does look the same, but remember, when we write them, they still look very different because the lowercase, down, up, down, up. But remember, when you're writing a capital, it has to fill both of those lines. So start at the top of the line, you come down to the other line. Up, down, up. So it fills the lines. That space between the lines is filled with a capital letter. Right. Last one then. 1, 2, 3, you tell me. What is it, Fred?
Eh.
Eh. Let's flip it. Oh, that one looks a little bit different as well. Let's have a go at writing it. So the F, start there, you go across. Oh, let's pick a different pen. You go across, over and under. And the capital, go to the top of the line, go down. One along the bottom, one along the top, and one in the middle. Eh. Okay, take as long as you want, press that pause button again and have a go at writing those capital letters. Okay, oh, Fred's climbing down. I'm going to put my lids on my pens because I think they might be running out a little bit. And if you want to, press pause now while the letters are still on the board. Pause. Okay, I hope you've had a go at writing those capital letters. I'm going to rub them off now because it's time to introduce our new phony. so let's have a look at it first. Are you having a look, Fred?
Yeah.
So I can see a goat and I can see a tree has fallen on top of him. Something has gone wrong.
It has. It's gone very wrong.
It has gone very wrong for the goat. So the action says you bring your hand up to your mouth like this, okay? And as though something's gone wrong, okay? And you say this, oh, as in, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh. Or as in, oh dear.
Oh.
That's right, Fred. Okay, so I say it, oh. You say it. I say it, oh. You say it.
Oh.
Well done, Fred. And it's made up of 2 letters.
Oh, that means it's a digraph.
It is a digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound. And the letters it's made up of is an O and an A. They're the names of the letters, okay? And when those 2 letters sit together, they make the phoneme O. Okay, we need to have a go at writing it, don't we, Fred?
We do.
Because we've looked at it, we've made the sound, and now we need to write the grapheme, which is how we write it. Right, so let's do this together then. Get your pens at the ready. Start on the page. We do an O, which is all the way around. And then we do an A, which is a curly cur, up to the top, back down and flick. O. I'll show you one more time. The O, all the way around. And the A is a curly cur, up to the top, back down and flick. O. Right, I'd like you to press pause and see if you can write 5 of those digraphs. O. Okay, pause. Right, here we are again. So, well done for writing your digraphs and practicing your letter formations. Fantastic work. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some reading. Okay, so I'm going to show you a word that has our new digraph in it. Oh.
Oh.
Well done, Fred. Okay, let's have a look. So I'm going to show you a word. You can press pause and have a go, and then me and Fred will show you how we read that word. Okay, here we go. Have a look. Okay, you can press pause now.
Pause.
Okay, now me and Fred are going to show you how we work that word out. So let's get a bit of blue tack on the back so I can get it stuck on my board. Because the first things I need to do, Fred, is my phoneme buttons.
It is.
It is. So I'm going to put a sound button under there. I'm going to put my line under my digraph and a sound button under there. So I can see it has 3 different sounds, 3 different phonemes. Okay, Fred, let's have a go. You have a go, Fred.
K. Oat.
K. Oat. K. Oat.
Coat.
Well, you need a coat, especially when it's raining. Coat. Right, let's have another go, Fred. Let's show them another word. Right, you ready to?
Pause.
All right, let's have a look at that then. Let's put our phoneme buttons underneath. So I want one under there. I want my digraph under there and one there. So I can see already there's 3 different sounds, 3 different phonemes. Let's have a go then, Fred.
G. Oat.
G. Oat. G. Oat. Goat.
Oh, I like goats. They're a bit naughty though.
Sometimes they can nibble your clothes, but I do love them. Right, let's have another go. Oh, let's have a look at this one. 1, 2, 3. Ready to...
Pause.
Okay, let's have a look at this one.
I can see 2 digraphs.
Well done for spotting that, Fred. I hope you spotted that at home. So I've got my phoneme button there. I've got a digraph there and I've got a digraph there. So it's still only 1, 2, 3 different sounds, different phonemes. Okay then, Fred.
Oh.
Ouch, coach, coach. And coaches are types of buses that normally take people on, well, nice trips away on holidays and day trips and things.
I like going on coaches.
I know you do. Right, I think this will be our last one. Let's try this one. Have a look at it and then press
Pause.
Okay. Are we ready, Fred?
I was born ready.
That's good.
Phoneme buttons.
Thank you, Fred. So I can spot... Oh, let's get a different pen. I can spot my digraph that we're learning today. Ooh. Oaf. Oaf. Loaf. Loaf.
A loaf of bread.
Yes, a loaf of bread to make some sandwiches. What's your favourite sandwich, Fred?
Cheese.
He likes cheese. Right. Let's put my pens on. Well done for reading some of those words with our new phoneme in. Oh.
Oh.
That's right. Let's get these out the way and we'll see what we are doing next. Oh, the next thing, Fred, excuse me, is we have to pretend, Fred,
Yeah.
that we are a vet.
A what?
A vet.
What do vets do?
Well, vets are people, a bit like a doctor, but for animals. And if an animal is poorly, you take them to the vet.
Oh, I see.
Okay. So I'm going to write a sentence on our book. And I've got a tickle.
Have you?
Yes, I have. Let's see what else. Oh, no, I didn't write that.
You are silly.
I don't mean to be, Fred. Right, what am I writing? I'm going to have to get up, I think.
Oh, yeah. Can't you reach?
No, I can't. Right, I have now wrote my sentence. Okay, so when we read that sentence, because you need to know what I've been writing about.
Do we?
Well, yes, Fred, we do. So what's the first thing we do, Fred?
We look for keywords.
We look for keywords. Let's see if I can find a pen that works. Right, I spotted one. The. Okay. Anybody else see a keyword?
Can.
Can. Right.
My.
My. Right then. Let's see if we can work out anything else. Let's read those key words. Can, the, my. We need to work this one out, Fred.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try this pen. Not having much luck with my pens, Fred. Right. Okay, were you joining in at home? Et. Yes, vet. Well done. let's reread our sentence. Join in as I point. Can the vet... We need to know what this word says now. Let's put my sound buttons on.
It's a digraph.
It is a digraph, remember? E, or, so it's the E, isn't it? S, E, C. And we've had that word in our pobble writing a lot with Mrs. Lamb. Let's reread the sentence. Can the vet see my... Oh, what's this then? Can the vet see my... I wonder what the vet needs to see. Oh, look, Fred.
What?
It's our new digraph.
Oh, yeah.
Goat. 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 Oh, we read that word earlier, didn't we? Right, let's reread our sentence. Can the vet see my goat? Oh, and it's a question mark. So that means we can answer the question. So, you pretend you're the vet.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to say, can the vet see my goat? Can the vet see my goat, Fred?
Yes, I can. I'd like to make the goat better.
You'd like to make the goat better. Thank you, Fred. Now, one more thing before we go. Thank you for helping me read my sentence. But what I'd like you to do at home is I would like you to have a go at writing that sentence. But I'd like you to change this word here. If I can find a pen that works. Okay, I want you to change that word at the end. I'd like you to think of your own word, your own animal that you'd like to take to the vet. So remember those words, because I'd like you to switch your device off when you're writing. So see if you can remember those words. Let's reread that sentence. Can the vet see my... And that's when you're going to add on your extra word. And that would make what, Fred? 6, because 1 more than 5 is 6. So you've got 6 words to remember. What I would do is I'd think of your animal first. What animal would you choose first, Fred?
A hen.
A hen. Okay. So Fred would write, can the vet see my hen? Okay. So when you've reread that sentence quite a few times and it's in your head, I want you to then turn your device off and have a go at writing your own sentence.
That's exciting.
Don't forget your capital letter.
Don't forget your finger spaces.
And if you're asking a question like we have here, don't forget your question mark at the end. Okay? Have fun writing your new sentence. See you again soon.
Bye.